Hello guys, for today's video I'm going to show you how I modified my Vios, but this one only slight like outside and inside. But I want you to know that this Vios is the base model or the lowest model, Toyota Vios J. So first, here in front, actually the J doesn't have this one, the fog light, but I asked the shop to put this one. So this is the first thing that I asked them, and actually I could have put the LED light, but then I think that I don't need a light during the daytime, so I didn't put, but maybe someday I will put this one. Next, here the mugs, the rim, actually for Vios J it was steel and then the cover, but this time I opt to put at first the third party, but then I hit the pavement and it was broken, so I opt to use the Toyota because I know Toyota is stronger than others. And then here, this one, the sun visor, they don't have like this, or rain visor, whatever you call this one. I put this, and then here they don't have like this actually for the parking sensor, and if even the top model they only have the two of this, but this time I opt to put 4, 1 2 3 4. And then the camera, this camera here is used for reversing and recording at the same time. And then let's go to the inside. Okay, here I put this one, and then the chairs I put the leather front and back, because Vios J is just a fabric, not leather actually, so I put this one leather. And then here, the one that I really like is the 10-inch screen, 10 inches, because this one was just the analog, so I put the 10 inches here. So you can see even the top model, the Vios G, it wasn't like this, it's not like this, it's just 7 inches I guess, and until here only, not going up here. But I chose this, and because when we have a kid, we wanted them to watch Cocomelon, and it should be bigger and crispier, so I put this one. This is the one that I really like, see? And of course the leather, it's good because when they're eating inside and water, milk or whatever, see, it's big. You know, water or milk or whatever is being spilled here, leather is really good, and compared to the fabric. So this and this is the one that I really like. Okay, so I guess that's it, just slightly modified. And actually we can put the, what is that, how do you call that one, the control here, but I didn't. And I think that's it. By the way, for the fog light, normally I had my Vios first gen and it was top model, it was here, you just turn on the fog light, but this time here, off and on, off and on. Okay, so that's it guys, and please subscribe.